Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I will be going over all of the brand new trick-or-treat locations in 2K. So if you don't know, there's actually, in honor of Halloween, there is trick-or-treat locations that you can go around the cruise ship and get free reward. I think this is on next gen as well, but this is going to be a current gen tutorial of like all the locations, how to trick-or-treat, and I'm actually going to be showing off all of the rewards that I've gotten, although I think some of them are random, but for some of the rewards I got for like clothes, whatever, I'm going to be showcasing right here. As you can see, I don't have a great sense of fashion, but you know, that's what I came up with. And I'm actually going to be my alt account on this, so I can be claiming them freshly, as why is this kid inviting me to a squad? But anyways, let's get into the video, but first, like, subscribe, follow the socials in the description, and yeah, let's get into the video. And why does this kid keep messaging me? What does he want? Wait, I'm curious. What does he want? Trying to run. I am looking, okay, I'm on my two-way playmaker, that build video coming soon. What does this kid do? I'm, like, lost right now. This is not planned, I swear. Voila. Shooting guard slasher. Oh no. Oh. Look. Anyways, okay. That's enough of that. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first place you want to start is the airball. You know, this will, if you start up here, you're just going to get the fastest route, save you some time when collecting your rewards. But anyways, the first, you know, reward, prize, whatever, for trick-or-treating is going to be at this last column right here. You know, you can look around. Here's where it is. Screenshot if you need it. Click B, and then you can see I got the Halloween banner. And then I'm actually I'm going to be showing you all the rewards. And then this is the Halloween banner right here. As you can see, I'm on my other account. You know, I don't got a lot of banners, but this is it. You can see it right there. I'm actually going to equip it now. But for the next one, you actually want to go right over here to the zip line. I'm going to be going over to the Moat, as I'm here. Okay, so we are in the Moat, and you're going to want to go, once you come from the zip line, it's going to be over to the right by this little plant object thing. Click B, and you get 2,500 VC. And again, your your VC balance will be updated immediately. And as I can go to my progression, you can see I have my 2,000 VC. And for the next location, we're going to be going down to the 2s and 3s court. We have loaded into the 2s courts, and as soon as you load in, if you come from the elevator, you're going to go right by the elevator. And it's going to be behind, over here, by the diving board, you know, in the back. And once you get to the diving board, again, click B, and you get 5 Gator per category. Go over to skill boost. You can see I have my 5 Gatorade. It updates immediately. And then for the next, we're actually going to be staying on the 2s and 3s courts. It's just going to be going in the very back. And I'm going to show you a little method. You can just go back to the elevator, go to the Gatorade training facility. And it's going to be right by the Gatorade training facility. And if you take the elevator, it's going to save you a lot of time. So once you go to the Gatorade training facility, go to the left, and you can see the people, this person right here. Next to it, just by this last cannon, click B, 5 attribute upgrades. You go down, as you saw from my Gatorade boost, I didn't have any boost at all, but now when I come here, I have my 5 games. And then for the next location, we're going to be going into the promenade. And yeah, see you there. Okay, once we load into the promenade, we're gonna go, as soon as, like, you go into the elevator to, like, load you in immediately, just go right here. This turquoise door, trick-or-treat, you get 5 attribute boost, and now I have 10. As you can see, I had 5 previously. And for the next location, we're gonna be going by, I'm going by the Nike store. And then it'll be the little red brick place by the Nike store. Right here. Click B to trick or treat, 2 attribute upgrades, and again, as you saw, at 10 last time, 12 now. It does update immediately, I'm telling you. And then for the next spot, we're gonna be going, we're gonna go over to the Jordan place. The next location is once you get like to the Jordan store or whatever, you're gonna go over here and then buy like this little recycling place thing. It's that door right next to it. You get Halloween swag, and when they say Halloween swag, they just mean clothes. And I'm gonna go over to my clothes. Since I don't have many clothes on this player, it's actually gonna be okay, so this is gonna be this one. It's actually random, I think. Because again, I did this on my other account and I don't recall getting this sleeve, but I could be wrong again. But yeah, that's that sleeve. And then for the next place, we're gonna be going right into the lobby, which you can just enter the door right here. And once we load in, it's gonna be by the My Team Theater. But before we go that, there's another spot right here by the rec. As soon as you load out, it's gonna be behind the rec. Trick or treat by the pool. Halloween swag. And then for me, this is also like examples of what I got. I got this headband. This is what I got. I know you can get pants and goggles or like little glasses, but I think it's random, so that's just what I got for my account. But again, like I said, the next place is gonna be by the My Team Center. Once you walk out of the rec, you're gonna see the little My Team thing. Then you can go right next to it at this little concession bar place where like all these people are, and go over it. Click B again. Halloween swag, which just means like Halloween themed clothes. And then for me, I got the goggles. These are the goggles I was talking about. They look pretty sick. The clothing in this is really cool. I'm sure you can make a lot of good fits out of it. But again, that's all. I don't think I'm forgetting anything much. But again, you can see I gained 12 games of boost, 5 games of Gatorade. I got the clothes and I got the VC. But that's it. Hopefully you did enjoy. Hopefully this did help you find your spots. Because again, I was a little confused, but then I found all the spots. Then now I'm showing y'all it. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Follow the socials in the description, like always. And I am out.